Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Love You for Less with me, Avanita. Guys, I want to thank you so much for your patience in uploading this video. It has taken me so long. It was meant to be uploaded on Sunday, but for some reason it wouldn't upload. So I do apologize and I appreciate your patience. And as I said before, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for the new subscribers. Thank you very much for the comments, the likes and the share. So in my video today, I want to show you how I made some storage for my bathroom, and I did a little move around with some stuff as well. So this is what my bathroom looks like originally. I don't really like my bathroom because it is too small and I have a lot of stuff, and sharing with two kids, it's a lot more than I'm expecting. But anyway, you know, I work with it because what else can I do? It's better to have something than not to have something. So I love my bathroom despite it's being small. So I start by removing all the stuff that I have on the shelf that I have there, and then also all the products and towels and all these things. And then also I remove this little tray that I have with my hand towels in, because I want to kind of get the space clear enough to install my shelf. This bracket I got from, or these bracket I got from IKEA. They're 50p each, but if you're in another country you can use any other bracket which is available to you. As I said, from IKEA, and they're 50p each. So I went ahead and then just installed the shelf. I actually got this piece of wood from somebody who was actually doing up their kitchen, and they've trimmed off the piece of it, and I got a few and I decided, okay, I can use it. So I continue to take off all the stuff, you know, of the shelves that I have. And I said to you before, I have a lot of stuff, a lot of products, hair products, and it's just too much. But anyway, after I finished that, I just went ahead and just installed two more shelves. Those shelves I got from IKEA. They were £2, and then the brackets as well are 50p each. So I bought like 10, and then the shelves, they're £2 each. This towel rail I have about 4 years. I got it from Aldi when I went shopping, so I'm just reattaching it back to the wall. It's one of those suction ones, so you know, you can move it around as to how you desire. And I just went ahead with my elbow grease and just start cleaning. My wall need regrouting, but I don't have the time to do it, so hopefully you know, sometime I'll do it. And then I just use it to clean basically everywhere on the tile, which the whole bathroom is tile. So I begin to take off the towels from off the top shelf, and then I just refolded them so that they can fit on the shelf which I've created. Now this little basket is actually a plant pot, and what I did, I just kind of put it on the top shelf. I will show you in another video how I DIY'd it to look so cute. And then I just started folding my hand cloth or face cloth, yeah, and then just put it in. And then this is what it looks like after I finished like adding, you know, all the little stuff that like the free soap, water, and that. I actually printed that and I just put it in a frame that I got from the Poundland. So it's not really, I didn't buy this thing, I just printed it at home and then just put it in the frame. And then also the sign about, you know, having a bath and all these things, I actually printed it and put it in a pound frame. Yeah, exactly, yeah, get naked. I printed it at home and put it in a frame. And then the his and hers I got from Poundland. They were £1. The candles, they actually come from Primark. I got them in a sale for £2.50 sometime last year, and I just throw them in my vase. And then these flowers, they're roses that Gabba bought me, and I just saved them over the years or over the months, and then I just put them in, and it looks cute. This is a sweet jar that I got, and I just, this sweet jar, and I just basically just put the flower in there, and then the vase, and then just jazz it up. The towel rail, I installed it. I got it from Home Bargain. It was $4.99, and literally I just throw stuff around. And yeah, I like the way how everything turns out. Okay, I don't really like the fact that I need to regrout stuff, and I haven't done it because it's not something on my huge list to do, but I will do it at some point. But I love the fact that I was able to install these shelf or storage area, and it came out a lot better than what I was expecting, because I've never tried to you know, redo my bathroom because I just wasn't interested. And then I'm thinking, okay, I'll do something different because I've done everything around the house, but I've never attempted the bathroom because I'm not in love with it. But now I really am. So yeah, really, really lovely. And that's the DIY storage that I told you that I made. This is a flower pot, and I just put some hot glue with some, you know, pearl around it, and you can't believe it. It looks so nice. My shower curtains, I'm in love with them. They're bright yellow and this other color. I got them from Asda, and they were $4.99. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing my video. Thank you so much for liking, comment, and thank you for everyone who has messaged me, you know, asking me how I am, asking me how things are doing, and all these other things. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next video. Guys, thank you so much. Bye bye.